Are you tired of watching other people make money on YouTube while you struggle with video editing, writing scripts, and being on camera? What if an artificial intelligence could do all of that for you in just 3 clicks? Welcome to my Auto Channel AI review. Here is my honest take right out of the gate. If you want to build a profitable, faceless YouTube channel but hate the technical side, this tool is a no-brainer. It handles the heavy lifting, saving you hours of frustrating work. I do recommend double-checking the AI-generated scripts just to make sure they sound exactly how you want them, but overall, it gets a massive thumbs up from me. Auto Channel AI is a cloud-based software that acts like your personal autonomous YouTube production team. It is built specifically for affiliate marketers, complete beginners, and anyone with zero video editing experience. If your biggest roadblock has always been that you do not know how to make videos, write engaging scripts, or get traffic, this platform completely solves that problem. It researches profitable niches, writes the script, generates a human-sounding voiceover, and creates the video for you. Plus, stick around because I am going to show you an insane custom bonus package I have put together if you pick this up through my link below. Let's jump into the dashboard so you can see how easy this is. When you log in, you'll notice it's completely beginner-friendly. First, you use the AI Viral Niche Finder to spot trending topics in keywords that have high search volume but low competition. Next, you click the AI Script Writer. It builds a full, high-retention script packed with hooks to keep people watching. Then you hit Generate. The AI Video Creator pairs your script with premium, faceless video clips and ultra-realistic voiceovers with perfect lip sync.
Hello, this is a preview of the Patrick Voice. Let's start with the unboxing. The packaging is sleek and minimalistic, which is always a great
Finally, the software spits out an SEO-optimized title, tags, and description for you. You literally just review the content and publish it directly to YouTube from the dashboard. The front-end software is currently on a launch special for around $17, which is incredibly cheap for what it does. But if you want to scale this up, there are two optional upgrades you should seriously consider. The first is OTO 2, the Unlimited Edition, for $97. This removes all restrictions, letting you build unlimited faceless channels, generate unlimited scripts, and render unlimited videos. The second is OTO 6, the Viral Clips Edition, for $37. This is a massive traffic booster because it takes your main YouTube video and turns it into dozens of YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikToks with just one click. I mentioned my exclusive bonus stack earlier. If you click the link in the description right now and grab Auto Channel AI, you get all 10 of these premium bonuses for free. 1. ViddoHub. Start your own video subscription platform and collect recurring payments. 2. WordPress Video Commission. Create high-converting affiliate review pages in minutes. 3. Tubelytics, an all-in-one YouTube marketing suite to track analytics and spy on competitors. 4. VidCapture. Turn any video on your site into a lead generation machine. 5. Video Quiz Game. Boost your watch time and engagement with interactive video quizzes. 6. Opt-in Monster. Instantly grow your email list with high-converting pop-ups. 7. Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. Uncover hidden, highly profitable buyer keywords. 8. Social Ultima. Blast your videos across social media for instant free views. 9. Pin Marketer. Automate your Pinterest account to siphon free, highly untapped buyer traffic. 10. 100 ready-made niche blogs. Get instant content to dominate search engine rankings. To wrap this up, Auto Channel AI is the ultimate shortcut to getting free, buyer-ready YouTube traffic without ever showing your face or buying expensive gear. But you need to act fast. My bonus package is strictly limited to the first 50 buyers. Once those spots are gone, the bonuses are removed forever. Click the link in the description below to lock in your copy of Auto Channel AI at the lowest one-time price and secure your 10 free bonuses before time runs out. Thanks for watching this review here on the App Verdict channel. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more software reviews. After you complete your purchase, your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. See you in the next video.